I'm back. I told you I'd be back. And so we're ready for the next step, which will be cooking our spinach and feta stuffed chicken thighs. And so this will be the next step. Right behind me right here is a Gateway drum smoker. And let me see if I can show a little bit more of this. It's kind of hard to do this on your own. So there's the Gateway drum smoker. It has charcoal in the bottom, and I've lit that already. It's sitting at just over 300 degrees right now, maybe a little bit more. What's really cool about these is they've got the air intakes right here, which go all the way down to the bottom. There's two that take the air in here, and of course the vent out the top, and that's how you control fire with charcoal. And so this one is sitting at about 330 340 degrees. I'm shooting somewhere around there is perfect, but I know once I open that lid it's going to shoot up in temperature. So get in, get the task done, and get on with it. So you can probably hear in the background is my Yoder smokers working right here, and it has some beer bread in there. So in a skillet is a mixture that we got from the Okanagan Soup Company, which is in Oliver, British Columbia, so stay local. And another company that we've used beer bread from is Two Broke Gals in Saskatchewan. So if you're from Saskatchewan, look them up because they do have some awesome products. And the Okanagan Soup Company, I'm looking forward to this. It's a powder that's in there, and it's simply a can of beer. Mix it all together, put it in a skillet, and away you go. So let me show you real quickly the bread before I get onto the chicken. And there's the bread, looking really good. So keep my temperature in there. So I'm going to say about an hour, somewhere around there. But anyway, so let's get on back to the chicken, and I'll put my tripod down and see if I can give you an angle to see the drum smoker. So I got my tongs. Here's the chicken with the house rub on top. So it's got the spinach and feta all stuffed in there, and now the house rub on the outside, and it's going to go in the Gateway drum smoker. There it is, that hook I was looking for, and each of the pieces on the rack. I put the rack in about the middle of the. It's not on the top; it's in the middle. Put all the chicken in. I hope you're cooking today too. Stay in, cook out. I can see you there, Bernie. It's good to see you. I hope you're cooking today, Bernie, too. A couple more to go, and I'll show you on the inside of the cooker real quickly before I put the lid on. And again, whenever you're cooking with charcoal, get in there, get the task done, and get the lid back on. You want to make sure you're keeping all your temperature in control. So there's all the chicken in. I'll grab my tripod, and down we go. So there's the chicken, and right in the center of everything, and lid back on. Here we go. And maintain that, and away we go. There it is. So we've got chicken going on today, and some bread, and that's about it. Maybe we'll have a refreshment here shortly too. So if you're cooking today, please do stay at home, share it with your family. If you do have a neighbor over the fence, maybe they'll want some too. But anyway, I hope you're having a good time and sharing the barbecue love on today, Saturday, March 28th. I'm BBQ Brian from the House of Q. Thank you, Bernie. Lots of love to your brother. Go cook something, and we'll check in with you shortly.